Hello everyone, welcome back to the Guide Up YouTube channel. Today for this video of Guide Up, I will be showing you how you can delete your TikTok account. So for that, open the TikTok application on your mobile device. You are at the home page of TikTok here. Tap on profile on the bottom right, tap that. It will direct you to the profile page, and on this profile page, tap on the three horizontal line on the top right corner, tap that. And then tap on setting and privacy. In setting and privacy page, you need to tap on accounts, and here on the account page you will have the option of deactivate or delete account, tap that. And here you need to tap on delete account permanently, tap on it. You need to provide a reason for why you choose to delete your TikTok account, tap that reason and then tap on continue. Now you will have the option to download all the TikTok information. If you want to download that, you tap on request download. If not, you can move forward with the process and tap on the checkbox. By continuing, you reviewed your data request and wish to continue deleting your account, and then tap on continue. Delete this account. So you will basically have 30 days time period to retrieve your account if you do not want to delete it. But if you try to log in after the 30 days time period, you will no longer be able to retrieve them. So once you are sure that you want to actually delete it, tap on continue. A 6-digit code has been sent to you either in your email address or in your phone number. You can see I have received my code in the phone number that I have provided for my TikTok account. Now you need to type in that code over here, tap on copy and paste it over here, and then tap on delete account. Are you sure you want to delete your account? Tap on delete, and with that, this process will confirm your account deletion process. You have been logged out of your account. So this is how you can delete your TikTok account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Guide Up YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.